Hi everybody, this is Doug Buenz with the 680 Homes Group at Venture Sotheby's Realty and 680homes.com. This is the February Market Minute for Livermore, California. So how's the market in Livermore? Kind of flat. There's more inventory, less multiple offers. The market's at a more relaxed pace this year than it was last year. That's good news for buyers. They have more choices. They can negotiate a little harder and be a little pickier, frankly. For sellers, it's important you price your property aggressively and make it stand out in the marketplace, but there's still good demand out there. So let's dive into some of the metrics. For inventory, there's 77 active listings in Livermore at the end of January. That's up from 54 in December and 38 from a year ago, January. So more inventory, slower pace of the market. Pending sales were flat. There were 52 pending sales in January versus 52 in December. So it was flat. And there were 57 a year ago in January. So down a little bit from a year ago, but generally fairly flat. Sold properties are down. We had 44 closings in Livermore in January as compared to 74 in December, as compared to 42 a year ago. Months of inventory. So that's a nice metric to measure the strength of the market in terms of supply demand. The metric simply means how long would it take to sell all of the existing inventory if no new listings came on the market. So months of inventory in January was up 1.5 months of inventory versus 1 month in December versus 0.7 months January last year. Now folks, 1.5 months of inventory is not a slow market. If you go to some of the areas in the Midwest and other areas of the country, 6 is a balanced market, is often considered a balanced market. So it's still a strong market. Average days on market for sold properties is up slightly, 42 in January versus 40 in December versus 13 January last year. So you can see the market's a little slower pace now. The median sales price is down $770,000 in January versus $809,000 in December versus $779 a year ago. So prices are relatively flat. Average price per square foot for sold properties is down, $450 a square foot on average in January versus $461 in December versus $457 a year ago. Again, price is relatively flat. Percent of sales price to list price is up, 98% in January versus 97% in December. A year ago it was 102%. So there's more inventory, fewer homes selling over asking price. The percent of active listings with price reductions is down, 29% in January versus 37% in December. Percent of sold properties that sold over the asking price, another measure of how hot the market is up a little bit. 29% of the listings in January sold over asking price versus 23% in December. And lastly, percent of properties that sold under 10 days on the market, which is kind of a measure of how fast the market's moving. That metric is up. 27% of the sold properties sold in under 10 days on the market in January versus 20% in December. So as you can see, a little more inventory, a little more relaxed pace, and not as many multiple offers, but still, on balance, a good market. That's it for now. Be sure to like and share this video with your friends. Also, we invite you to comment on this video below. And as always, if we can help you or anyone you know with your real estate needs, please give us a call at 925-621-0680 or visit us at 680homes.com. Thanks for watching.